Believe in the reality of your own imagination, and you will see it crystallize in the world around you. Neville Goddard. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to turn your deepest desires into reality in just a couple of hours? Imagine achieving what you've dreamed about for so long, all before the day ends. Let's dive into a story that might sound too good to be true, but isn't. Picture this: someone just like you, with hopes and doubts, who discovered the power of instant manifestation and saw their life change dramatically in less time than it takes to watch a movie. This isn't just any story. It's the kind that lights a fire within and shows us the true potential that lies in the power of our own minds. Manifestation isn't magic, but it's definitely magical in how it transforms lives. At its core, manifestation is about turning your inner thoughts and desires into external realities through focused intention and belief. Think of your mind as a powerful magnet. It's not just about wishing for something. It's about truly believing and aligning your whole being, your thoughts, energies, and actions with what you desire. The strength of your intention sets the wheels in motion, and your unwavering belief is the fuel that powers those wheels. Together, they create a force strong enough to bring about the changes you want to see in your life. To master the art of rapid manifestation, there are several essential principles you'll need to understand and apply. First and foremost is clarity. You must be crystal clear about what you desire. Vague ideas yield vague results. Clearly define your goal in as much detail as possible, painting a vivid mental picture of what you want to achieve. Next is the principle of alignment. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions must align with your goals. It's like tuning into the right frequency on a radio. Only when you are aligned can you receive what you are seeking. Another key principle is the power of positive affirmations. Regularly affirming your desires as if they have already come to pass establishes a strong belief in your mind and the universe. These affirmations strengthen your resolve and keep your focus unwavering. Visualization is also crucial. Visualize your success as vividly and as often as you can. This not only increases your motivation, but also prepares your subconscious to recognize and seize the opportunities that will help you achieve your goals. The principle of inspired action plays a pivotal role too. While manifesting relies heavily on belief and mental states, action is what grounds those desires in reality. Inspired action means taking steps that feel natural and joyful rather than forced, knowing that each step brings you closer to your goal. Finally, receptivity is essential. Be open to receiving what you ask for, in whatever form it might come. Often, opportunities appear in unexpected ways, and being receptive means you are ready to accept and work with them, not against them. Preparing for success in manifestation starts with the right mindset. The mindset for success involves expecting positive results, staying patient, and being persistent. Cultivate an attitude of certainty and assurance that what you seek is already on its way. To build this mindset, begin by clearing any doubts. Doubts cloud your mental clarity and weaken your manifestation efforts. Address these doubts by journaling them or talking them out with someone you trust. Reflect on past successes to remind yourself of your capability to overcome challenges. Fostering a positive outlook is equally crucial. Focus on gratitude. Start each day by listing things you are grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's abundant in your life, thereby attracting more positivity. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people around you can either lift you up or pull you down. Choose to be around those who encourage your dreams and believe in your ability to succeed. Keep learning and adapting. The path to manifesting your desires is not always straight. Be willing to learn from each experience and adapt your strategies as needed. This agility will help you navigate through challenges more effectively. Lastly, practice mindfulness. Being present in the moment allows you to savor your journey toward manifestation. It helps reduce stress and keeps you focused on the present tasks, making you more effective in all your actions. By understanding these principles and preparing yourself mentally and emotionally, you are setting the stage for rapid and successful manifestation. The journey might require patience and persistence, but with the right mindset and actions, you are well on your way to turning your dreams into reality. To manifest your desires in under 2 hours, you can follow these specific, actionable steps. Start with setting a clear and precise intention. Write down exactly what you want to achieve, ensuring it is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely. This clarity is the foundation of the manifestation process. Next, create a conducive environment for focus. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. This could be anywhere that you feel calm and at peace. The setting plays a crucial role in keeping your mind focused and free from distractions. Now, take a few deep breaths to center your thoughts and calm your mind. This step is vital as it prepares your mental state for effective visualization. Begin visualizing your goal. See it in as much detail as possible. Imagine how it feels to achieve this goal, the sounds around you, the emotions you experience, and the benefits it brings. The more vividly you can imagine your success, the more potent your manifestation will be. While visualizing, use positive affirmations that reinforce your belief in your ability to achieve your goal. Phrases like, "I am capable of achieving this," "I am deserving of this success," and "I am actively creating my reality" can be powerful motivators. After visualizing, write a plan of action. Even though this is a rapid manifestation process, having a few actionable steps that you can take immediately will help bridge the gap between your current state and your goal. Decide on 1 or 2 small actions you can perform right away that align with your goal. Finally, express gratitude as if you have already received what you were manifesting. Gratitude not only enhances your positive frequency, but also opens you to receive more. Change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Neville Goddard. Adapting this manifestation process to fit different goals and individual circumstances ensures that it remains effective regardless of the specific aspirations or unique situations. Start by understanding the nature of the goal. Is it related to personal development, financial gain, relationship improvement, or career advancement. Each type of goal might require slight adjustments to the visualization and action steps. For personal goals, like health or education, focus more on visualizing personal achievements and the feelings associated with these successes. For financial goals, be specific about the amount of money or the financial state you wish to achieve and the steps that could realistically lead you there. In terms of personalization, consider your daily schedule, commitments, and lifestyle. Adjust the timing of your manifestation practice to when you feel most alert and inspired. For some, this might be early in the morning, while for others, it could be late at night. Also, consider your emotional and mental state. If you tend to feel anxious or doubtful, incorporate more relaxation techniques before you start visualizing. This might include listening to calming music, meditating, or practicing deep breathing. Adjust the affirmations to speak directly to your personal insecurities or doubts. If you know that you commonly face doubt about your capabilities, tailor your affirmations to combat these specific fears, such as, "I am fully equipped to handle any challenges on my path." By understanding and adapting these steps to fit your individual needs and circumstances, you enhance the effectiveness of the manifestation process, making it a truly personalized tool for achieving rapid results. Manifesting your desires can sometimes be derailed by common yet avoidable mistakes. One typical pitfall is the lack of clarity in setting goals. Without a crystal clear goal, your energy and thoughts may scatter, diluting the potency of your manifestation efforts. Ensure your goals are well defined and detailed to avoid this mistake. Another frequent error is inconsistency. Manifestation requires a steady flow of energy and focus. It's not enough to practice visualization or affirmations just once. These should become regular practices. To maintain focus, set daily reminders to dedicate time to your manifestation practices. Even a few minutes each day can significantly enhance your focus and reinforce your intentions. Doubt is also a major obstacle that can hinder the process. Doubting whether you can achieve your goal or if the process works can block the energy flow necessary for manifestation. Counteract doubt by keeping a journal of all your small successes. Over time, this record will build your confidence and strengthen your belief in the power of manifestation. Neglecting the need for action is another mistake. While the law of attraction emphasizes thought and belief, action is equally crucial. Always look for and take opportunities that align with your goals. These actions are the physical manifestations of your intentions and are necessary to bring your desires into reality. The beauty of the manifestation process is that it's repeatable. Once you've successfully manifested one desire, you can use the same techniques to achieve other goals. Whether your new objectives are big or small, the fundamental steps of clarity, visualization, affirmation, and action remain the same. Persistence is crucial when repeating the manifestation process. Just because it worked once doesn't mean success will come automatically the next time. Each goal will likely require the same level of commitment and energy. The more you practice these techniques, the more skilled you'll become, and the easier it will feel to to achieve subsequent desires. Consistency in your practice cannot be overstated. Consistency helps to strengthen your mental muscles. Just like physical exercise, the more consistently you train your mind to focus and believe in your goals, the stronger and more efficient it becomes at manifesting. Recall that each manifestation journey might present unique challenges and learning opportunities. What remains constant is the framework of the process. By applying these principles consistently and learning from each experience, you can continue to create the life you envision, one desire at a time. This repeatability not only proves the effectiveness of your manifestation techniques, but also empowers you to take control of your life's narrative, continually crafting it to reflect your evolving aspirations. Let's bring our discussion to life with some inspiring examples of individuals who have successfully used these manifestation techniques to change their lives. One remarkable story comes from a person who aimed to secure a job promotion within a tight deadline. They focused on specific visualization techniques, seeing themselves performing the new role, and used targeted affirmations like, "I am ready and capable of excelling in this position." In less than 2 hours, they felt a surge of confidence and proactively presented a new project idea to their boss, which not only impressed their employer, but directly led to the promotion they were seeking. Another powerful testimony involves a small business owner struggling during a tough economic period. After applying our manifestation steps, particularly focusing on aligning their actions with their goals, they visualized their business thriving. They imagined clients coming in, transactions increasing, and their services gaining recognition. By adapting their strategies to these visualizations, they saw a significant turnaround in just a couple of months. In a different case, a college student visualized passing a difficult exam that they had previously failed. They set the clear intention of not just passing, but excelling. They combined their study sessions with visualization techniques and affirmations about their capabilities and understanding. The result? They scored higher than they ever had before on that particular course. These stories are not just tales. They are real-life experiences from people who dared to believe in the power of their intentions and took decisive actions to manifest their dreams. Throughout this video, we've explored the dynamic process of manifesting your desires quickly and effectively. We've broken down the steps, discussed how to tailor this process to your specific needs, and addressed common mistakes to help you avoid them. The power of focused intention and belief, combined with specific, actionable steps, can lead to extraordinary results in your life. Let these stories and tips be your guide to unlocking your potential and achieving your desires. Never forget, your ability to manifest quickly is not just a possibility, it's within your reach right now. Seize this moment, take action, and start creating the life you've always dreamed of. If you found the insights in this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more empowering content. Together, let's make the impossible possible.